Hey, how's it going? So I'm sure you're wondering, why is Maddie on the floor? Why is there cleaning supplies? And why is there an old pair of dirty shoes? Perhaps it's a shoe cleaning video. Stick around. I recently posted on my Instagram a before and after picture of a couple pairs of shoes I had hand washed. They look spectacular. I then received a lot of messages on how I did it, so I just thought I'd make a short little how to clean your shoes at home video. I know there's like a million out there, but this is all I did and my shoes came out. So for all of you that were asking how I did it, this video is for you. So you're only gonna get part of my face in the shot, it's whatever, you all get enough of my face anyways. So basic things you're gonna need for this are, got some Dawn dish soap, yep, happening. Then we got some baking soda, happening. I have a scrub brush, a toothbrush, some towels, some washcloths, some poopy ones of course, because you don't wanna use your good stuff. Here I have a bucket of warm water and dish soap. I got my dirty shoes here, and then all you're gonna need is some sort of cup or Tupperware container that you can mix the baking soda in, so keep this separate. So what I did first, take baking soda, add it, it's already added. Take dish soap, add it, already added. And what you wanna do is kinda, I don't know if you can see it as well, but it's almost like a paste. And you just mix it with the toothbrush, like so, like that. You want like a thicker paste. You don't want it watery, and you don't want it too thick. Okay, you take the laces out. I work at a warehouse, so my shoes get pretty dirty, but I'm actually starting at a different location right now, so I wanted to have clean shoes for my first day. So we're just gonna pull these laces out, and we're gonna get us some fresh shoes. And these are really dirty. I guess I should have done it before, but here I can kind of show you. Like, these shoes are pretty dusty, they're pretty dirty, pretty worn in. Okay. So shoes are unlaced, toss those to the side for right now, and then you just have two dirty, disgusting, need to be clean shoes. Warm water, dish soap. Don't submerge the shoe. Simply use a scrub brush. Just work on that outside. Take a towel, wipe off the shoe. Make sure you got as much of the dirt off as possible. We have a co-star walking on set. Celebrity. No, he's walking back there. Okay. Okay. So that's pretty clean. Just a general clean. We'll worry about the sole in a minute here, but let's just focus on getting it mostly clean. And these aren't terribly dirty either, but repeat. So there we go. Once we have it mostly dry, I mean, obviously they're not gonna be completely dry. Once you have it mostly dry, then we're gonna start on the soles. So if your shoelaces are a dark color, such as these, I would just dump them in the water, let them like soak. But if you have dark laces, they're okay to go in this soapy water. If you have white laces, you're gonna put them in the baking soda mix and let them sit in the bottom of here for a while until you feel like pulling them out, and they should be pretty white. Baking soda bleaches. So, with that said, baking soda soles. You can kind of see these, it's hard to tell in this light, but these soles are a little dirty, so we're gonna try and clean them up. When I'm doing the soles, I put a layer of the baking soda dish soap mix all the way around before I actually go back and really deep scrub. That way it can like sit there for a minute. The baking soda stuff will also bleach color. If you do not want the bleach on any color, try to be very careful and not put it on the canvas part of the shoe or the leather. Stick to the soles. Unless your shoe is white, then you're fine. Okay, so I'm just going around with this. So now I've completely covered the shoe, the sole in the baking soda. mix that back in there. And then we're just gonna go back and we're gonna just scrub it as much as possible with this toothbrush. Now you're gonna take the cloth and you're just gonna wipe the baking soda off. And there you have it. There's a before and an after. It's not exactly perfect, but these are also my work shoes. If you want it to be whiter, leave the baking soda on there longer and or scrub more. Okay, so now you're gonna take your shoes, put them by a fan or even a heater, and let them air dry, and they should be all set to go. So that's those. The laces, I just kind of do one of these. Especially if they're dark, you can't really see them too much. I use a scrub brush, kind of just go like one of these. And just like the shoes, you just want to hang your laces somewhere. Like I usually hang them like on the shower curtain or something, just overnight, and leave a fan on them, and they will be dry in the morning. But that is how I clean my shoes. And that's it. If you have any questions about further cleaning, go ahead and comment below and I will answer them best of my ability. Just remember, keep it clean, keep it weird. I'll see you next time. Bye. Oh, poopy. Some sort of Cupperware. So if you do not want it on, say, some Converse, oh gosh, how's that even said?